Hi, good evening, my dear student. Yes, in our previous video, we have discussed most important concept of our CET and JEE Mains and JEE Advanced question. On this today, again some examples are there. I'm going to discuss about the one of the greatest chapter, relation and function. And already you know that. Already I said to a lot of times. What do you mean by relation? Let A and B are two non-empty set. Then the order pair of AB is a subset of A cross B. So already I said to you the first relations, family relations, blood relations. Second relations, mathematical relations, less than, greater than, or some parallel lines, perpendicular lines like that. And types of relations. Empty relation, R is equal to null set, universal relation, R is equal to A cross A, and both the relations, empty and universal relations, are called the trivial relations. Types of relations, another most important concept, equivalence relation. So reflexive, symmetric and transitive, it exists. These are called the values. Reflexive means AA belongs to R, AB belongs to R, BA belongs to R, it is called symmetric. AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, AC belongs to R, this is called the what we can call transitive relation. And along with most important partial relations. Partial relations means reflexive, antisymmetric. Antisymmetric means AB belongs to R, BA belongs to R. It means A is equal to B. That condition based on we are going to express. And similar another transitive condition. Let us discuss on this base. Few examples are there. How they are asking question for our Karnataka CET. So then already announced. Please keep work hard. Then let us few examples are there one by one. So here most important examples are there. We are going to express first one. So here let A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and defined R is equal to 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6, 6, 4, right? Then R is, so first one, reflexive relation, second one, symmetric, so C, transitive, D, none of these. Clear? Got it? A very simple question will be arises. So most important, already you have clear that answer. How you are going to find out? Freeway, just I said to you, I will revise that values. So what do you mean by reflexive? What do you mean by symmetric? What do you mean by transitive? That condition is, so 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6, 6, 4. Hence, that is a symmetric point. What is a symmetric point? So clearly, AB belongs to R. So BA belongs to R. So this means 2, 4 belongs to R. 4, 2 belongs to R. So here, 4, 6 belongs to R. 6, 4 belongs to R. Hence, answer is symmetric. A quick answer. When you know the definition, it is easy to identify the answer. So I will go to the next one. So first one, we have got clear that answer. So what is the second one? Most important things we are going to express for the values. So this is the most important values, and then CET 2008, they're asking question. R is a reflexive. R is a relation, not a reflexive, relation on N given by R is equal to xy such that 4x plus 3y is equal to 20. Which of the following does not belongs to R? Which of the following which of the following does not belongs to R? Right? Already I said to you, we can check one by one. 50B, so minus 4, 12 to C, 2, 4, D, 3, 4. Correct? So look at that question first. So statement of 4x plus 3y 20. First check it. X, y. So 4, 5 plus 3 0. So 20. Got it? 20. Second condition. 4x plus 3y. So 20. So x, y. 4 minus 4 plus 3 12. 20. Right? So minus 16. So here that 36 6. So 0 20. This one exists. So here that what is the value? 2. So 4. Third one 2 3 4. So 20. 8 plus 12 20. So this one is also exist. Then what about that point? D point. So here 4x plus 3y. So 20. So 4 3 4. So 3 4 20. So 12 plus 12 20. 24 20. So this one answer not belongs to. So we can express for this one. Right? So this point we are going to calculate. That is the point to shaded apart. So keep like that, how they are going to find out the values within minutes. You can check it. Substitution and verify the point. So I will go to the next one. That is the most important. This type of 2008 they are asking question this one. So most important. Which one does not exist? First cancel it. Then you can get it clear answer. So next one I'm going to discuss most important concept. Right? Let R be the relation on the set n of natural number right numbers defined by R is equal to AB such that A is equal to B minus 3, B is greater than 7, then condition is. So first condition, similar, 3, 5, like that R. So B condition, 6, 9 belongs to R, 6, 8 belongs to R, D, 4, 11 belongs to R. So keep observe, right? Please, very important concept. So on this most important values, we are going to find out the equations. So in these equations, we are going to express for the values. Look at this one, how they are going to take. So here that A is equal to B minus 3. Already in a previous example, we have solved like that. So we can substitute B is equal to you can 7 above 8. So we can 8, it means 8 minus 3. So here A value. So A value is 5. Is there here? And now. So B is equal to 9. Is there? B is 9. So A 9 minus 3, 6. Got it. So this type of simple questions will be arise. Just to put that values and find out for the equation. So this type of equations, a lot of times they are asking. These are the CET questions. Please keep in your mind, work hard and practice first theory. Once upon you completely revise the theory, then easy to point out all the point, remembering point when we are studying in a classroom. So everyone must and should take highlight and go to the practice for CET or JEE mains, the most important mathematics. Thank you so much. I will continue the next another different type of concept in the next video. So thank you so much. Bye.